If you're wondering how to acquire nice skin, you've come to the correct place. Healthy skin not only makes you more attractive, but it also offers you confidence. Taking care of your skin as a male does not make you girly or homosexual. I'll say that right off the bat. It's actually extremely manly. Guys don't typically wear cosmetics, and it might be more difficult to conceal flaws on your skin. Therefore, you need to properly care for your skin. In this video, I will reveal to you how to improve your skin's clarity and radiance to the point where it practically resembles glass. Glass skin was essentially created by the Koreans. But when it comes to their skin, they don't play around. To appear as translucent and dewy as possible, they curate and follow a rigid schedule. I will be sharing this Korean skincare technique with you. Getting glass skin is not easy. You must adhere to a specific regimen that involves washing, exfoliating, and adding vitamins, humectants, minerals, fatty acids, and UV protection to your skin in order for it to not only seem good but also be healthy. And now, it is necessary to adhere to a strict 10-step skincare routine to achieve glass skin. But first, let's speak about what glass skin actually is and how to recognize it before we go into all the actions you need to follow. A glass skin is simply radiant, poreless, and has an even complexion. Men's skin requires the same level of care as women's skin. Your skin needs a healthy regimen to stay that way. You require a skincare regimen that treats your acne, dryness, hyperpigmentation, sensitivity, and slows the aging process. Therefore, let's begin. But first, nourish your skin. Let's begin with the foods you ought to eat and stay away from. Most men make the error of concentrating solely on their skincare regimen and neglecting to consider what they are putting into their bodies. But as you are aware, I cover the entire procedure on my channel. Carrots, walnuts, avocados, pumpkins, and tomatoes are a few foods that are excellent for your skin. In a sense, tomatoes are superfoods for your skin. Eat them always. Tomatoes contain lycopene, an antioxidant with anti-aging properties. Because of the high levels of beta-carotene in carrots, your skin is protected from free radicals and sun damage. E and B5 vitamins are found in walnuts. They shield and nourish your skin from within. Walnuts also help your body produce more collagen, which strengthens your skin and gives you a youthful look. Avocados are superfoods like tomatoes because of their high levels of minerals, vitamins, and omega-3 fatty acids. Avocados aid in skin tightening and suppleness. Avocados also lighten your skin tone and minimize the appearance of pores. Finally, pumpkins include a significant amount of minerals, vitamins A and C, and antioxidants. Additionally, it has a lot of zinc, which is helpful for regenerating skin cells. Therefore, start including some of these in your diet, and you'll notice a significant difference in your skin. Alcohol, deep-fried foods, foods heavy in sugar, cheese, and even coffee should all be avoided if you want to develop glass skin. So yeah, it's time to kick your coffee habit. Second, moisturize your skin. If you still have any doubts about the amazing things water can do for your skin, then you most likely do not know much about water. I recommend that you subscribe to this channel and binge watch all of our videos to correct that. Your skin will have a brilliant, irresistible glow if you consume at least 3 to 4 liters of water each day. This is due to the fact that water cleanses your skin and creates space for new skin cells to grow. 3. Follow a skincare routine. In your quest for glass skin, cleaning twice is the first step to getting glass skin. Although cleansing is certainly a technique you are already familiar with, the Korean beauty routine advises double cleansing. This is due to the fact that glass skin requires an extremely clean canvas. And the easiest way to guarantee that is to clean twice. Use an oil-based cleaner first, then a water-based one. Any oil and sunscreen residue on your face will be cleaned off by the oil-based cleanser. You can wash your face with a water-based cleanser once using the oil cleanser is finished. Avoid washing your face with hot water and avoid scrubbing it, since this will dry up your skin. Instead, use circular motions to massage the cleanser into your face. After cleansing, you can rinse your skin with lukewarm or cold water. Scrub your skin. Exfoliating your skin is necessary, but don't go overboard. Only exfoliate once or twice a week at most. Any more than that will harm your skin's protective barrier. But face scrubs are overly harsh and might damage your skin by creating tiny tears. But some people interchangeably use toner and essence, while others use the two in the same routine. They use products that have skin brightening properties, skin tone evening, and anti-aging properties. But some people even completely replace moisturizers with anti-aging products. They use products that will nourish and cure your skin while also strengthening it, while providing you with strong, healthy skin. Apply a moisturizer to lock in all the healthy things you've been giving your face. These moisturizers offer everything. They nourish your skin with intense hydration, cure any damage, and have anti-aging and brightening benefits. They use sunscreen. You don't need me to remind you to use sunscreen every day, even when the sun isn't shining and even in the winter. All of your hard work will be for naught if you don't. A skincare routine at night. You should make your evening skincare routine straightforward. Retinol, moisturizer, lip balm, and cleaner. But basically, repeat the morning skincare routine, except this time, swap the sunscreen for retinol. If you don't already use retinol in your skincare regimen, get it today. Retinol enhances skin texture, minimizes acne, diminishes fine lines and wrinkles, and lightens dark spots. If you have sensitive skin, use retinol and moisturizers every other day, as it might be harsh on your skin. I want to emphasize right now that none of these things will work instantly. Before you start noticing any effect, you must maintain consistency with it for 2 to 3 months. But if you do persevere through it, just like you have through this video, I guarantee you'll get glowing, dewy glass skin. This concludes the video. Subscribe now to ensure that you don't miss any similar videos in the future. I'll see you in my next video.